finding a maximum or a minimum. They may not ask you to graph it, but they may ask you a specific question, like, is there a maximum or minimum here? You've got the form f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, that quadratic standard form. What you have to do to decide is real simple, is you look at your a. And if it's positive, then you're going to have a minimum, and that is going to, your U shape is going to point up. And if it's negative, meaning a is less than 0, it will be a maximum, and the U shape will point down. So all you have to do then, after you decide if it's a minimum or maximum, is get the vertex. Remember, to get the vertex, you find the x by plugging it into the formula negative b over 2a, and then take whatever you get for the x and plug it back into the equation to get your vertex. So here I have f of x equals negative 4x squared minus 24x minus 19. Now notice that I've identified the a, the b, and the c. And since my a is a negative 4, that tells me it's going to be a maximum, and it's going to be shaped like this. Okay, so let's get the vertex next. To get the vertex, I will take and find my x. So x equals negative b over 2a. So that is a negative, and my b is negative 24 over 2 times negative 4. So I'm going to add the opposite here and get 24 over negative 8, and 24 divided by negative 8 is negative 3. Okay, so my x is negative 3. I need my y. So I will plug it back into the problem, and that will give me my vertex, and then I'll know where my maximum is. So f of negative 3 is going to equal negative 4 times negative 3 squared minus 24 times negative 3 minus 19. Okay, 3 squared, negative 3 squared is 9. So I have negative 4 times 9, which is negative 36. 24 times 3, that'll be positive. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1, 72. I believe that's 72 minus 19. And then negative 36 plus 72 would be 36, positive 36 minus 19. And 36 minus 19 should be 17. Might want to check that with your calculator to make sure there was no errors there. But that tells me that if the f is negative 3, the y is 17, and this will be a maximum value. But we don't have to graph it. That's all they wanted.